In 2016, when Japanese scientist Yoshinori Ohsumi received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine, the modern world was confronted with an astonishing reality. He demonstrated autophagy, a biological process in which the body cleans and recycles its own damaged components. Remarkably, long before the rise of modern laboratories, a system of disciplined fasting had already been introduced to humanity over 1,400 years ago. When the human body remains without food for an extended period, its cells do not simply become inactive. Instead, they begin breaking down damaged proteins, dysfunctional cellular parts, and accumulated waste materials to produce energy. In simple terms, this can be described as the body's natural, self-cleaning mechanism. By clearing out impaired cellular components, this process can help reduce the accumulation of abnormal cells and is associated with a lower risk of certain chronic diseases in the long term. Today, modern research suggests that structured fasting patterns may support metabolic balance, cellular health, and overall physiological resilience. What makes this discussion even more thought-provoking is that centuries before microscopes and biomedical research existed, fasting for a fixed period each year was prescribed as a consistent life practice. What the modern world now promotes as intermittent fasting or biohacking had already been integrated into a broader spiritual and lifestyle framework. This is not merely about abstaining from food, it is about discipline, moderation, self-control, and giving the body a regulated cycle of activity and rest. From this perspective, fasting can be seen not as a burden, but as part of a holistic system designed to nurture both inner well-being and physical health. It encourages mindful eating, reduces excess consumption, and promotes a balanced daily rhythm. While contemporary science continues to explore and understand the deeper mechanisms behind fasting and cellular repair, the concept of structured restraint and lifestyle balance has long been emphasized as a means of achieving harmony between body and mind. Therefore, fasting represents more than a ritual practice. It can also be viewed as a disciplined approach to living that aligns spiritual intention with potential health benefits. As modern knowledge evolves, such practices are increasingly being re-examined through scientific lenses, highlighting the value of balance, self-regulation, and conscious living in maintaining long-term well-being.